Before uploading the code, let's create a Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Tap Start, then select New Bot. Enter a name for your bot, followed by a unique username ending with bot. Once the bot is created, BotFather will provide your bot token. Copy and save it. Next, open your newly created bot and tap Start to activate it. Now, search for @MyAdBot, tap Start, and use the getIt command to retrieve your chat ID. Copy both the bot token and chat ID, then connect your Seat Xiao ESP32S3 Sense to your computer and continue with the Arduino setup. Download the Arduino source code using the link in the description. Open the project and enter your home or office Wi-Fi name and password. Enter your bot token and chat ID. Select Xiao ESP32S3 as the board, choose the correct serial port, and set PSIM to OP-ISRAM in the board settings. Click Upload to flash the firmware. Once the upload is complete, open the serial monitor to verify the Wi-Fi connection, monitor human detection, and view the system status. That's it, your device is now ready to use. Simply place it in your home, office, or any area you want to monitor. I've installed mine in my office. If needed, you can use the HLK Radar Tool app to connect to the mmWave sensor via Bluetooth and fine-tune the detection distance, sensitivity, and other parameters. Once configured and saved, the sensor can detect human presence from up to 6 meters away. Whenever someone enters the detection area, the camera instantly captures a photo and sends it to your Telegram account in real time. You can also view the live camera stream anytime using the device's local IP address. This project is perfect for monitoring your home's entrance, office, room, or any indoor space. This project is powered by the Seat Studio Xiao ESP32S3 Sense, a compact yet feature-packed development board with a built-in OV2640 camera, digital microphone, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, PSIM, and a microSD card slot for future expansion. If you'd like to build this project yourself, you'll find the purchase links for all the components, including the Xiao ESP32S3 Sense, in the description below.